How to add text and change text duration on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further delay, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open TikTok on your mobile. As you open TikTok on your mobile, then you have to go down on the plus option or add option that is located in the center down below. As you click on that, then you have to make a video, a short video. As you create a short video, then you have to go on the text option that is located up above and then write something. Let's say I am writing this random text, and then you can change the typing style from here, and also typing color. Then hit done. As you hit done, then by clicking on the text, you can set the text duration by scrolling down the striker and also setting down your values. And then by clicking on this tick button, you can upload it. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.